Hey Beautifuls, it's Ashley Desires, and I'm here again with another video, and it is a mini tutorial on how I install this full lace unit. I did color this wig, and I did bleach the knots. I'm loving this color because from the black to the brown to the blonde, it looks very, very seamless. So amazing. So for her install, this is for her graduation, and for all of my clients, they either have to come with their hair blow dried or stretch, so it can be easy enough for me to part and easy enough for me to braid, and so that her install can be flat. I did add an stocking cap, but I did put foundation over it because, you know, I want to match it with her skin complexion so it can be a whole new flat scalp. So right now what I'm doing is I'm attaching the lace onto the Got To Be gel because this is a glueless install. So there wasn't any bold hold with this install. You can't get your frontals done by me with Got To Be glue if you're not okay with adhesive. So what I'm doing right now is making sure that it all is flat and that it's all touching the Got To Be glue so I can prepare her for her baby hairs. And right now it's just looking very seamless. Like, ugh, I just love it so much. So what I did was I did curl this wig before I put it on her because she's going to graduation and she has to be prepared. I didn't want her late to her graduation. So, honey, these curls are looking stunning. And I didn't curl it all the way to the end because I did not want the curls to attach to themselves at the end, making big old curls. I wanted these curls to have their own individuality, their own spaces, their own situation. Because when they collect at the bottom, I hate that look. So right now I'm putting some shine to it, and you're going to see this slow-mo on how I curled out these curls. And honey, ooh, they're looking amazing! Iconic! Ravishing, I'm telling you. So I feel like you've been gagging enough over these curls, honey, and I do use wrapping paper for my clients' edges so they can form properly. I love her edges, I love this color, I love this install, and I love these curls. Don't forget, I am a hairstylist and I do have availability on my website, and I can provide hair for your install as well if you just want to buy some hair. I have all that on my website, a link in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one, alright? Bye!